The launch of Putin's 3-day special military operation would result in NATO countries sending existing stockpiles. This would include the Switchblade 300 and 600, built by AeroVironment Systems. This mainstay of the U.S. Armed Forces would be a loitering munition designed to strike at infantry and unarmored targets. However, in developed pre-2022, the range and ability to operate under heavy EW jamming were be poor, despite thousands being sent to Ukraine for a cost of hundreds of millions of dollars. Reports would come out for the lackluster performance of the loitering munition. Here's a quick video of the drone striking a radar tower, which would be a perfect non-moving target for the Switchblade 300. Comparable to a 40mm grenade, the drone wouldn't be that effective against entrenched targets